opened the envelope and I passed every single one, every single subject, even maths. I actually opened it up to find a 5, and I was dreading it. A solid 5. It's official now. I'm fully enrolled in 6th form to do business BTEC and sociology. It still feels a bit surreal. I'm actually moving on to the next step. Biggest, most massive thank you. Seriously, I would never have reached this point without all your help, your patience, and you pushing me through when I thought I couldn't do it. Now, please don't be offended when I say this, but I am genuinely wonderfully happy that I never have to sit in a hall and take another maths exam for the rest of my life.